Step 5. Adding addresses and setting warehouses. On this page, you'll see the billing address you entered during Step 3. You can always edit existing addresses or add new ones. If there is only one address in the list, it will automatically be set as your primary address. You can designate any of the addresses in the list as a warehouse to use for shipping cost calculations and make it visible to customers. You can add multiple addresses and warehouses based on your organization's needs. Next step, adding team members. If other team members need access to your merchant account and listings, head to the Merchant Users menu on the left to invite them. Let's continue setting up your IrriFinder account.
Step 6. Adding team members. On this page, you can add existing IrriFinder users to your team or invite new members to join. If your team members already have an IrriFinder account, click Add a New User, then search for their name in the pop-up window. If they appear in the search results, simply select them to add them to your team. If they're not yet on IrriFinder, you can send an invitation by using the Import User tool to add multiple team members at once, or manually entering their name and email address to send an invite. Once they register their personal accounts, they'll automatically become part of your team. Next step, Customer Access Control. Now, let's take a quick look at the Customer Access Control page, which works similarly to the Merchant Users page.
Step 7. Customer Access Control. This page unlocks powerful customer networking options. Let me show you how it transforms based on one simple setting. When Limited to Customers field on the Step 4's Merchant Settings page is enabled, the customer list on this page becomes your exclusive buyers club. Only the customers in this list can see your listings. Perfect for wholesale or VIP sales. When Limited to Customers is disabled, you switch to Public Growth mode. Now you can use this page just to invite your existing customers to discover your IrriFinder store and expand your reach while maintaining public visibility. Remember, your selection on the Edit Merchant Settings page determines whether this becomes a gated portal or a growth tool. Ready to build your customer network? You've got 3 easy options to add customers. Search and add existing IrriFinder customers individually, or bulk import your current customer list via Excel file, or manual entry of names and email addresses to send invitations. Switch between modes anytime in Merchant Settings to match your sales strategy. Now let's fine-tune your store and navigate to the Accounts Plugins page.
Step 8. Configuring merchant account plugins. This is where your store comes to life. By setting up your plugins, you'll have a fully functional online store on IrriFinder. Want to showcase only? If you're a manufacturer looking to display your products and brand without selling online, you can leave these plugins disabled and move to building your catalog. Customers will still be able to inquire about your products, but direct purchases won't be available through IrriFinder. Ready to sell online? To start receiving online orders, you'll need at least one active and configured payment method plugin and one shipping method plugin. For our demo store, we'll activate the bank transfer plugin as the payment method and the manual shipping rate table plugin for shipping rate calculations. Let's get started. Setting up your plugins takes just 2 quick steps. First, click Edit button to activate your selected plugin. Then click Configure to fine-tune the settings. If you choose a third-party plugin, you may need to enter your credentials to connect the plugin securely. That's it. Now that your store is ready to accept orders, it's time to set up your sales policies. Let's click on Merchant Policies in the menu and continue setting up your IrriFinder account.
Step 9. Entering merchant policies. Now, let's set up your merchant policies to ensure smooth transactions and clear expectations for your customers. Adding a new policy group. When you first visit this page, you'll notice there are no policy records yet. Simply click the Add New button in the top right corner to get started. You'll see a list of required policy types, pre-filled with sample data to guide you. First, enter a policy group name. This will be the label you choose when listing your products. Then customize each policy description in the list. Our rich text editor allows you to format your policies professionally. Already have policies in HTML format? Simply paste them using the source code tool. Why are merchant policies important? Clear, well-defined policies help prevent misunderstandings, build trust, and improve the buying experience. Take the time to complete this section carefully to protect both you and your customers. Finalizing your policies. Once all details are entered, click Save to return to your policies list. You can create multiple policy groups if needed, allowing flexibility for different product categories. Next step, activating your IrriFinder subscription. To complete your merchant account setup, you'll need an active IrriFinder subscription. Click Merchant Subscriptions in the left menu to proceed to the final step. Let's continue setting up your IrriFinder account.
Step 10. Subscribing to IrriFinder. Before we begin, remember that you can always return to this step after creating your product catalog and listings. We understand that building a product catalog can take time. So if you're unable to complete everything at once, you don't need to start your subscription right away. However, if you're ready to move forward, let's subscribe now. On this page, you'll see your subscription history linked to your account. If you don't have an active subscription, simply click the Add New button in the top right corner to get started. Setting up your subscription. Before selecting any subscription, including free one, ensure there is at least one saved address and credit card in below lists. If no address is listed in the billing addresses, visit the Addresses Warehouses page to add one. As the primary user of this merchant account, if no credit card is listed, go to My Profile to Payment Methods to add a credit card to your personal IrriFinder account. Next, choose a subscription from the list of available options. Once selected, the subscription price field will automatically populate. Then, select a billing address from your saved addresses and choose a credit card as your payment method. Be sure to review the Selling Plans and Fees page for full details on any charges associated with your subscription. Click Save in the top right corner to confirm your subscription. After completing this process, you'll be redirected to the Merchant Subscriptions page, where you can view the status and details of your new subscription. You can also manage your subscription from this list. Congratulations, your merchant account and listings are now published according to your settings.
Step 11. Navigating the dashboard. Welcome to your dashboard, your central hub for managing your merchant account. Here, you'll find key statistics and sales report for your store. You can track your total orders, view pending return requests, monitor the number of customers you've gained, and keep an eye on low-stock products that may need replenishing. Scrolling down, you'll find interactive charts displaying your orders and new customers over different time frames, weekly, monthly, and annually. Further down, a variety of insightful reports are available, including order totals, incomplete orders, and a list of recent orders that you can quickly review. You'll also see popular search keywords on IrriFinder, helping you refine your marketing strategy. Additionally, you can identify your best-selling products, ranked by both quantity sold and revenue generated. If you need more detailed analytics, you can explore additional reports under the Reports menu on the left. Before moving to the next step, let's take a moment to review what we've accomplished so far. First, we created your personal IrriFinder account, adding personal details, an address, and a credit card. Then, we established your merchant account as a manufacturer, enabled product listing visibility features, set up your warehouse, assigned additional users, configured plugins for payment and shipping methods, then created sale policies. Now, your IrriFinder store is fully set up and ready to showcase and sell products. As a manufacturer, you have the opportunity to showcase your own brand and product catalog on the IrriFinder marketplace. This allows you to establish your identity, attract resellers, and ensure your products are presented accurately. Let's explore the catalog section. When you click on Catalog in the menu, you'll find 3 key sections. Manufacturers, where you create and manage your brand, products, where you define and organize your product details. Listings, where you put price tags to the products and control how your offerings appear in the marketplace. Since every product on IrriFinder must be linked to at least one manufacturer, we will start by creating your first brand in the Manufacturers section before adding products.